Hello, welcome back. Mk1 video restoration still. Okay, welcome back. Loads of good comments about measuring stuff. Done a few measurements. Everything's still looking good. You know, I started to panic a little bit that shell wasn't straight, but it seems good. There's just something not quite right about this door. It's really not far off though. There's multiple ways I can fix it, so I'm just going to forget about it for the moment because I don't think it's too far off. What I want to do is get this top section all repaired, which involves repairing this inner wing, which we found some nice lovely fiberglass in last time. So thing to do, I think, is get the compressed air wire wheel thingy grinder gun on it. Let's try and tidy it up a bit. May even rotate the car a little bit just so we can get to it and go from there. And I might trim a bit more of this scuttle off because it's got some rust holes, so it's just going to blow out anyway, and that'll just give me a bit more space to get in and do the repair. So let's give it a bit of a clean up first and see what we're looking like, and then we get the car rolled over a bit so we can get a better angle at it. Okay, just try to tidy the hole up into a sort of a shape that's easy to work with. Try and get rid of all the rust, and try and leave it close enough that I can actually get a bit of whirl to. So what I'm thinking of doing first is I'll just make this triangle section first to go in here and get that tacked in using a bit of old door skin again, and yeah, we'll just go from there. Should be fairly simple, says Matthew. Okay, done that. Rough panel. I haven't bothered trying to do a fold on it to go right over the top either. I'm going to do it in 2 bits because I'm just lazy. So let's get some tacks on this baby, and we carefully hold it in the right position. Cool, so we'll just get a few more tacks on that, and obviously use a helmet. Okay, run out of time for the moment, so if it's a very short video I do apologise. If I continue talking after this in another shot, I'll manage to find some more time. But yeah, that's not too bad. You know, actually no stronger than the fiberglass that's there anyway. It's never going to be seen up that bit anyway, but I don't know what, you know. But you got to do it. You know, when you're videoing everything, people can easily look back and go, oh, you just left the fiberglass in there. So yeah, so another little bit to go on the top. And then we can repair the bottom edge of this scuttle, which all seems pretty good and hasn't been repaired before by the looks of it. Can't find anything. Then once the bottom of that scuttle's repaired, we can then do the final bit, which I was trying to do in the first place, put the capping in place, which a lot of people leave out anyway. And to be honest, a car that's going to be seen like this and driven like this isn't going to be driven miles in the future, so it really ain't going to make much difference. But it's here, I've got it. It stops a little bit of cat going up there. You could argue they just also cause a rust trap anyway. But yeah, so we'll get that in there and rebuild this edge to match. Alright, that's it. I've got to run now. See you in a bit. Yay! A few hours later, guys. Managed to get a little half hour, cheeky half hour out here. So let's see if we can just finish this video off by just filling up this hole that we've got up here. And then we're ready to move on to another thing later. Cool. Let's what I want to do? Oh yeah, let's make up a little bit to go up in here to finish off this edge. Again, doesn't really need it, but it's all going to get hidden. And then we'll try and work on the lip of the scuttle. Okay, just on the very little top bit there. So, just finish that off a little bit. Just give something for the scuttle to actually weld to. I'm just trying to now help my dad reset his iCloud password, which is incorrect, and he's trying to install Skype. Lovely. Oh, getting there, but Dad's got problems with iCloud. Okay, go inside and then sort that out. So let's get a few stitch welds found there. It's not too bad, a bit messy, but actually clean it all up. Won't look too bad, do the job, stop the crap getting up there. So yeah, let's just spend another 10 minutes cleaning it up and getting some stitch welders. Not my finest work, but it's fairly cosmetic, that area, just again stop the mud getting up inside. We can double check it a little bit once we get the wing in position later, just in case it needs a bit of fettling or hammering. But yeah, at least it's just another hole filled, which is actually at least solid metal, not rust. And it will look absolutely lovely under Tiger Seal later anyway, right up inside the arch. Anyway, what do we have for tea tonight? We had chicken and that Mr. Bowler hat person with barbecue saucy stuff from him and rice. So yeah, getting there slowly, one bit at a time. It's quite nice, just I've found this for the jetpack actually, just filming every part of this. Yeah, it'll be nice to watch back one day if I ever get enough time. I'm not trying to miss any steps, good or bad. So you see all my mistakes. Anyway, all good. Let me know what you thought about yesterday's video, about if you didn't anyone comment already about the headlight surrounds, the holes. I'm pretty sure most people are going to say don't worry about it, mate, just whack the headlamp bulbs in, everyone's happy. Alright, cheers guys, till next time.